item is login. So my scenario is login. Facebook login is my scenario. Facebook login is my scenario. Okay. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying?
Yes, got it.
Got it right? So that,
Express, sir.
yeah. So what is the scenario means? An item or features to be tested in the application. That is called it as a scenario. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear, present.
Okay. Then next. So whatever the questions, if you have, just let me know. I will explain again and again. Okay. Okay. So let me share it again. So got it right? What is test scenario? Then next. Then next. Test case. What is this? Test case. So we can call it as test scenario name. Okay, then next. Test case name. Okay, test case name. Here you guys observe, I'm using underscore. I'm using underscore. Okay. In our standards, so we can use underscore instead of space. If you want to give the space, you can use underscore instead of space. Okay, this is the standards we need to follow. Got it right? Why I am using underscore? This is the symbol. Okay, why? Because in our standards, we don't use the spaces. Basically, if I want to use this, test space case space name space, this is the actual word, but I can use for the standards I need to use, but as of now test case is the same word I can consider, or else if you want it you can use underscore test case underscore name. This is the way to we need to follow the standards. Okay, this is the way. Clear?
Clear.
So
And
instead of sorry,
every word should start with capital.
exactly, every word start with capital. That is a look and feel also good. Okay, only the templates I'm saying, not for the descriptions. Okay, so description is that as usual spaces we can use the word, normal words. As for the templates we need to use this type of this is the style, test case underscore name. Okay, got it right? So instead of spaces we can use underscore. Okay, this is the way. So first, test case. What is test case? Got it right? What is scenario? Right? Test case. What is test case? Test case is nothing but the detailed description of the test scenario. Detailed description of the test scenario. What is the test case? Detailed description of the test scenario. And next. And next. And next is the test case. Test case means detailed description of the test scenario. Okay. So what is this? What is the detailed description? What is detailed description? A test case is set of preconditions, steps to be followed with input data and expected behavior to validate the functionality of the application. Got it? What is detailed description of the test scenario means? A test case is set of precondition steps to be followed with input data and expected behavior to validate the functionality of the application. This is test case. What I told you, test case is nothing but the detailed description of the test scenario. What is the detailed description? What is the detailed description means? A test case is set of preconditions, steps to followed with input data and expected behavior to validate functionality of the application. And in another simplest way, in simple word to test case is brief description of what to test and how to test. What is this? Brief description of what to test and how to test. This is test case. Got it? What is test case? The detailed description of test scenario, or in simple word is brief description of what to test and how to test. This is test case. What is the brief description means? A test case is set of preconditions, steps to follow with input data and expected behavior to validate functionality of the application. It is called it as a test case. Clear?
Yes, please.
So this is so, and here the point is at least every scenario having at least one test case or more. One test case or more. Just keep in your mind. One scenario, at least one test case or more should have one test case or more. So here my test case name is something like that. Okay, Facebook, create account. Okay, and next, some companies are following step name. Some are not following, but this is a good way to follow the step name. Okay, and next, step description. Okay, and next, what is this? Expected result. And next, actual result, expected result and actual result. Okay, this is the main template of the test case. Okay, so what is the description? First, step name means nothing but the step 1. This is a step name. And next, what is step description? Step description, it should be clear. It should be clear. Step description should be clear. Okay, what is the first? For example, if I want to create an account in Facebook application, what is the initial activity I need to do? First initial activity is, what is this? Open. What is the browser they are using? We have to use open Chrome browser. So here last time I told you, right? Before stopping the writing the description, you have to check spelling mistakes. So what is the keyword we need to use? F7 function key. Is there any spelling mistakes will be there? See, spell check completed, you are good to go. Okay, this is the word we have to see. This is the pop-up. Okay, what is this? Open Chrome browser. Open Chrome browser and enter URL. What is the URL? You can give over here. www.facebook.com within double quotations. It's better to give within double quotations. Okay. If you guys feel this is a big text, then you can wrap the text. Okay, this is the way. What is my first step? Open Chrome browser and enter URL. This is the first step. Then next, what is my second step? So after opening this, what is my scenario and what is my test case? Create account, right? So next, what we have to do, what is the action? In the button, this is considered as a button. So what I told you, click on the button. So what is the button? Create new account, right? Then what I have to do is, sorry. Oh, 1 second. So once I open the browser, okay, enter the URL. I entered Facebook URL. So once we entered the Facebook URL, we are navigating into Facebook page. Okay, we are navigating into Facebook page. What we have to do? This is the button, create new account. So what I told you, button, right? This is technically we can call it as a button. So we can use this. How to form the sentence? Like, click on new account button. What is this? What is this? Click on create account, right? This is what? Yeah, create new account. Yes, create new account. We need to mention this word. What is that? That is functionality type. We need to mention what is the type? Button. So click on create new account button. Okay. So now it is good. The description is good. So what is the expected result? Expected. This is the column is expected. So we have to expectedly we have to write the description over here. See, once open the browser and enter the URL, Facebook URL, what is happening? our expectations. The page should be navigating into Facebook page, right? So now what I have to do is Facebook that is called as a home page, right? Facebook home page, something like that, will be displayed. Facebook home page will be displayed. Okay, this is my expected result. Then next, once click on create new account button. What is my expected results? Once click on create new account button, what is this? The page will be navigating into, what is this? Facebook sign up page. That is right. See, if I click on this, what is the page will be navigate? Sign up page, right? So Facebook sign up page. That is my expected result. Okay, that is my expect wrap text. See, this is the way to write the test case. And finally, actual results. Actual results don't fill this column while writing the test cases. Whenever you fill the column, once you start execution of the application, then you can fill this column. Actual means what is actual? Actual means what is the current behavior of the application. That is, we have to fill it. That is, we have to fill it. When we fill the column, once we start execution, then we can fill this column. Until unless, keep it blank. Because we don't know how the application is behaving once the execution will starts, right? So what is the current behavior? That is, we have to fill the column. For example, I started execution of the application. Open the browser. Okay, open the browser. I open the browser and enter the Facebook URL. Okay, and hit an enter button. Okay, even here I'm not mentioning this. If you wanted, you can mention, that is enter URL and whatever. Hit enter button, something like that. Okay, whatever. So for example, I used to enter the Facebook URL in Google Chrome browser. Okay, while starting the test execution, while starting. So this is expected description, expected result, we can fill it. But actual results, I'm talking about the actual results. So once we start the execution, what is the current behavior of the application? That is, we have to fill it. So once we start the execution, so what will happen? Unfortunately, once I enter the www.facebook.com in the Google Chrome browser, that page is not navigating into the home page. I'm getting some error message like 404, something like that. So you guys, sometimes you observe, right? Some 404 error, something like that in Chrome browser or whatever. Okay. So now what we have to enter is here. I'm getting 404 error message. This is, we have to fill it. Why? Because what is the current behavior of the application? That is, we have to fill this. Then immediately what we have to do? Say there is some deviation between expected and actual. Did you remember that defect? What is defect definition? Last time I told you in the first This is not expected, right? Means there is some deviation expected and actual. Then immediately what you have to do, you can raise a defect. You can raise a defect and send it to the developer. Send it to the, this is the way to raise the defects. Got it? Why I did not fill that actual column at the time of creation of test cases. Got it right? Okay. Always actual column we have to fill the current behavior of the application. Current, how the application is behaving. That is expected means we are expecting and write the column. This is, but this is actual means once we start the execution, then we can fill it. What is the current behavior of the application? That is the way to write the application, write the test cases and execution the test cases and raise the defects. This is the way, this is our work. Are you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? This is the way we have to work on testing.
Is
We
there
need to
rules for writing test case description, like we should start with capital letter, or the starting word should be capital, or instead of using spaces we should use something else?
Yeah, this is normal way. I told you, right? Only the template way we have to mention this underscores. But this is that our descriptions, right? So this is normal way we need to write this. But starting was, yeah, starting was should be capital. It's a look and feel is good.
Okay.
Okay.
Starting word capital, no other rules, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. That is automatically you will get it. Okay. First you have to understand the concept. Okay. What is this? How to write it, and when we fill the actual results, and how to raise the defects. So in this is and this is expected. This is and this is there is some big deviation. Then we can raise the defect. Now we got it. What is the defect? How to raise the defect? Okay.
Okay, Prasad.
This is the way to write the test. For example, it is working as it is working fine. So there isn't, the page is displaying into that, sorry, the page is as expected to navigating into home page. Then what we have to do is as expected. This is the way, because whatever we are expecting, the actual results also same. So then we can write the column is as expected. That's it. Got it? If it is not as expected, then we can write what is the current status of this. I already written, right? So what is this? Some 404 error is displaying. That is the current status. We have to fill the column. But now it is working as expected. So that's the reason I put this as expected. Fine. There is no deviation. What is I'm expecting? The same thing will be displayed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is also as expected. Same. Whatever the expecting, the same way the application is working. This is the way. This is test case. Okay. Okay. Then. Okay. It's clear, right? This is how to write the test case. Okay. Simple.
Yes.
Simple test case. I will tell you simple test case. In every laptop, there is a one application is there. What is this? Calculator. First we can start with the simple. Okay, first we can start with the simple. First we can write the test cases for this application. What is this application? Is every Windows operating system having this calculator. So then we can write the test case for this first. First we can start with the simple, then we can one step by step we can move to the mid-level and advanced level. Write the test cases. First we can write the simplest way, simple applications. First we can write. Okay, so now we can follow the same template. Okay, we can follow the sub template. Okay, then as of now, I will remove this. It's clear, right? Then fine. So okay. So first, what is our first? First, we have to identify the scenario. First, identify the scenario of this calculator. Okay. So serial number 1 and test scenario name. What is my scenario? So here, simple way, calculator, right? Here my scenario is checking addition. What is my scenario? TS001 underscore my scenario is checking. So check addition. What is the scenario? I already told you that an item to be tested, item or feature to be tested in the application. Here my item is the checking addition. Check the addition. Okay. And my test case name. What is my test case name? TC means test case 001 underscore. At least every scenario at least should have one or more test cases. At least one. If it is required, one or more. Okay, here my test case name is add two numbers. This is my test case name. What is my name? Add two numbers. Add two numbers. Then next. What is this? Next is step name. Step name. Step 1. What is the step 1? Can anyone tell you the description? Can anyone tell me the description first?
On button 5 and button 7. Click
Sorry?
on button 5 and button 7.
Who is
Harika.
this? Yes, good Harika. So good try. Okay. So if you want to click on button 7 and next, what is next?
Button 5
Button
and
5.
also button
Fine.
plus.
Okay.
Before
Good
that,
try.
but before that, I think it's click on start button, click on calculator application, and then click on calculator application.
Yeah, who is this?
This is Deepthi.
Exactly. So Deepthi, whatever the step Deepthi is saying, right? First step we have to make sure this is. What is the first step? What is the first step? Get the calculator and switch it on. What is this?
Okay.
Get the calculator and switch it on. Okay. So for example, let me check the spell mistakes. See this? I did something. What is this? Calculator spelling was mistake. Then we can, this is the correct one. Highlighted is the correct one. Then you can click on change. So now it is going good. So this is the way you have to correct your spell mistakes. Okay. Every time you have to use that spell mistake. Okay. That is a good way. Okay. Then next, what is my expected result? What is my expected result? Calculator power down. This is my expected result. Clear? First, we have to get the calculator and switch it on. Okay. Then next, second step. Step number 2. Yes, what is the step number 2? In the calculator.
Addition.
Yes, in the calculator. Press 2 number on. Press. What is this? Press 2 number on calculator keyboard. On calculator keyboard. This is called it as a keyboard, right? All are keyboards. This is keyboard. So then what is this? Calculator keyboard. Okay, then I will check spell mistake. Then it is going good. What is my step? Press 2 number or click, whatever. Okay, click or press. Press 2 number on calculator keyboard. Then what is expected results? Can anyone say? Okay, I will share first one. Okay, 2 numbers should be displaying on calculator screen. What is this? 2 numbers should be displayed. 2 number should be displayed later screen. Yes. What is my expected result? 2 numbers should be displayed in calculator screen. Sorry, here we can use on. Should be displayed on calculator screen. Okay. Then next. See this? Get the calculator and switch it on. Okay, fine. And next step is press 2 number on the calculator keyboard. For example, if I press on 2 number, see this, if press on 2 number, what is the number displaying? 2 number. 2 number should displayed on calculator screen. This is no expected result. Okay. Then step number 3. And next, can anyone say next what happened?
Press
Plus onto the calculator keyboard.
Yes.
Plus symbol.
Yes, press addition symbol, plus symbol, right? So
Yes.
on calculator
Keyboard.
board. So that what is this?
2 numbers should be displayed.
Press symbol will be displayed, right? Okay. So what is this? 2 and press. This is the displaying. See this? So what is the expected result?
2 and plus symbols are displayed on the calculator screen.
Exactly. Okay. Then next, what is step number 4?
Press
Press any number on calculator keyboard.
Let's say press 3 number. Okay. calculator keyboard. Okay, then number. Okay, so this is, then what is this? Same thing, right? So then this is right. Expected is right. 2 and plus symbol and 3 numbers should display on calculator screen. And next, step number 5.
It's equal to symbol.
Press equal plus symbol on calculator board. Okay. And what is this? Next, expected result.
5.
5 result.
Be displayed on the calculator.
Yes, should be right on later screen. This is my first test case. Okay. And next, how to execute this test case? First, what is my first? See, here I'm telling the real time. This is my test case. Okay, already I've written this test case. How to execute? Then see this. As per the step, first what I have to do, get the calculator and switch it on. Okay, I got this. Okay, then next, what is my second step? What is my second step? Okay, already first step is satisfied. Then what I have to do? As
expected.
Fine. And next, and what is my second step? Press 2 number. Press 2 number. Then same step, same as per the instructions, we need to press 2 number. Okay, what is this? Expected 2 number should be displayed on calculator screen. Yeah, 2 is displayed. Then what is my next step? Plus symbol. Okay, 2 and plus is displayed. Okay, that is expected. And what is my fourth step? 3.
3 number.
And this is also 2 and plus and 3 number is displayed on the screen. Fine, this is also expected. And next, what is this? Equal to number. I press equal to number. And next, what is this? 5 result will be displayed. Okay, as expected, this is displaying. Then we can say as expected, and as expected, and as expected. Okay. In case, for example, 2 plus 3, it's displaying as 7. Okay. Then what we have to do is 7.
It's an error.
Yes. 7 is playing. So then we can write that there is some deviation between expected and actual. So then we can write the defect and send it to the developer. Because our expected is 5, but it is displaying as a 7. So that was the reason we can write the defect. Okay, this is the way. This is the way to execute the test case and raising the defects if it is any deviation. So if you go to my definition, clearly I already clearly tell you this. What is this defect means? The deviation between expected and actual behavior. If you open this, if you open my definition, there is. Okay, but this is as expected, right? Now it is. This is the way to write the test case. This is my first test case. This is my first test case for calculator. Then what I have to do is just I will give some look and feel. So I will do some borders and I will use some this look and feel, okay, just for look and feel. My serial number is the first one, right? So then I can match it, and this is all is for my test scenario, right? So I can match it, and this is my test case for all, right? So I can match it. This is the way we can write the test case. Okay, so no need to write this every time. So this is. Then next, and next scenario I'm going to write. What is this? Next scenario, number 2, TS002. Now, next, what is this? Next one is my
Check
scenario.
subtraction.
Check subtraction. Check. Okay. And next, my test case. 002.
Subtract two numbers.
Exactly.
Two numbers.
Subtract.
Clear, right? Subtract two numbers. Okay. Then here we can use step 1. We can divide it to this color separating test case. Then again we can write the from starting onwards. Again we can get the calculator and switch it on and press whatever the number. Okay. Okay. This is the way to write the test cases. So your task is so your homework. Okay. So your homework is write the test case for subtraction. Okay, and I will, this is the initial stage, right? So that was the reason I will tell you the scenarios as of now, and next time onwards you have to identify the scenarios yourself. Okay, this calculator I will tell you the scenarios as well. The first one is a addition scenario, subtraction scenario, and next scenario is multiplication. Okay, next one is multiplication, and third scenario, fourth one is division. Okay. So you guys write the test cases for these 3 scenarios. What is this? This is. Got it? Got it? So this is your homework.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Professor.
Yes.
Okay. Multiplication, division. Okay. This is 3 and this is 4. Okay. So this is your scenario homework. So I will.
The recording has stopped.
I will share this template to you guys. Okay. So same as you can use this template and you can write the test case. Hello. 1 second. It is not sending. I just closed this. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Now it's got it right. Just save the file.
Yes, got it,
Everyone
Prasad.
Yeah, everyone got it right. You can save this file and you can use this template and write the test cases for remaining modules.
Prasad, I have a doubt.
Who is this?
Renuka.
Yeah, please, Renika.
Like do we need to write step 1 every time, get the calculator and switch it on? For subtraction,
Yes.
multiplication, division.
So 1 second. You are talking about the step number, right?
Yes.
Yes, step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is right.
Get the calculator and switch it on. We need to write for every like scenario.
Exactly. Every scenario you have to write it.
Okay.
Every scenario you have to write.
Okay.
Anyone? Any questions?
This is Shweta.
Yes, Shweta. One by one. Okay. Yeah. Please, Shweta. Just tell me this.
Share it drop down buttons terms like you have shared one document starting session.
Okay. So this is you want me to share? Let me share it.
Basic terms you are saying, no?
Yeah, that is you want me to share, right? I will share. What is this? Technical work for test case writing. Yes, I just shared.
Okay.
Just keep. Someone asking something else. Who is this?
Harika.
Yeah, Harika, please.
Yeah. In the template, we are having a column, right? Expected, right?
Exactly.
So now we are familiar with calculator or a Facebook. We know what is going to be come out. In real time when we are testing, so we don't know the application. We are using it for the first time.
Yes. You don't know application, but you have a reference document and screenshots. As per that, you have to write the test case. No issues.
Okay.
You will have a reference documents and along with the screenshots. You don't worry about it.
Okay.
That is that use of FRS, PRS. I told you, right? That is reference document.
That is what I'm going to ask. Do we have any reference documents?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
From starting onwards, I'm saying, right, in SDLC, STLC, we have a reference document. Yes. That's why I'm telling you, right? Reference document will be there. Okay. That is as per that we can design.
Okay.
Yeah. In SDLC, I told you in yesterday session also I told you SRS and
so you said, but I just wanted to know 100% it will be provided for every tester at the time of testing.
Exactly, and 100% they will provide. Without any document, how can we do?
Yes.
Yeah, in the project we don't know, right? So the reference document should be there. No issues.
Okay.
That is call it as a use case document. Okay, using this you can write the test cases.
Okay.
Any questions? Next. All are clear? Deepti
Yes.
Yes, Prasad, it's clear for me.
and Jyoti,
Yes,
and
sir, that's clear.
Soumya, and next Sai Sudha, Renuka, Lakshmi. All are clear, right? So why?
Yes,
Because
clear.
I'm asking particularly. So this is the way we have to work. Okay, this is the way we have to work it. So that was the reason I'm particularly asking everyone, each and everyone. ఇది మీకు అర్థం కాలేదు అంటే ఇంకా మీరు ఏం చేయలేరు ఇంకా వర్క్. సింప్లెస్ట్ వే ఇది, నేను చెప్పింది కూడా సింప్లెస్ట్ వేతోనే స్టార్ట్ చేసిన. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ మోర్. సో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వీ కెన్ మూవ్. Basic, intermediate and advanced. This is the way we can write the test cases. Okay, so daily daily we have a task. Okay, you have to do hard work next 10 days. Okay, so based on your writing test cases and everything, I will give the feedback. Okay, so how you guys are writing the test cases, this is very important. Okay, సో అర్థమైంది కదా మీకు ఇప్పుడు చెప్తుందంట.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, be concentrate to write.
It looks like easy as we know the calculator application, Prasad.
See, first మనం చాలా ఈజియెస్ట్ వే నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, డెఫినెట్లీ వి విల్ గెట్ దట్ హార్డ్ థింగ్స్ యాజ్ వెల్. ఒకేసారి అది నేను హార్డ్ నేను స్టార్ట్ చేసిన అనుకుంటే మీకు ఏం అర్థం కాదు, ఏం రాదు కూడా. ఫస్టే భయపెట్టేసాను అంటే ఇంకా మీకు వామ్మో ఇంకా జాబ్ చేయలేమనే ఇంటెన్షన్ తో ఉంటారు. అదే స్టార్టింగ్ ఈజియెస్ట్ వే నుంచి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ హార్డ్ థింగ్స్, నో ఇష్యూస్. Definitely
We got it today's class.
Yeah, so this is the way we have to write the test case, and in between so we can talk about this some other real time things as well. Okay, so don't worry, first we have to keep practicing on this. So I hope everyone got today's session, all are clear. I hope that. Thank you for joining today, then we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, so రేపు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు నేను ఇచ్చిన టాస్క్ చూపించిన తర్వాతనే నెక్స్ట్ డిస్కషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు నాకు ఆ టాస్క్ చూపించాలి. యూ కెన్ షేర్ ద స్క్రీన్ అండ్ షో మీ దట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థింగ్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మాత్రం ఇంకా ఏముండదు, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా వర్క్ చేయవలసిందే. అల్టిమేట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్, మై గోల్ ఈస్ I make you guys write the test cases perfectly. Okay. So ప్రతి ఒక్కరు టాస్క్ చేసి చూపించవలసిందే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మోర్ పాయింట్, you guys should not skip any class from now today onwards. Why? Because you have to show me the task daily. నాకు నెట్ పని చేయట్లేదు, నెట్వర్క్ లేదు, నేను ట్రావెలింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను అంటే ఇంకా నేనేం చేయలేను. ఇంకా నేను అయితే మీకు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కూడా వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలేను. మీరు ఎట్లా చేస్తున్నారు అనేది నాకు తెలుస్తూనే కదా, మీరు ఎంతవరకు మీకు అర్థమైంది, సో మీరు వర్క్ చేయగలరా లేదా కూడా నేను చెప్పేది. ఇంతవరకు అంటే మీకు రికార్డింగ్ ఉన్నాయి, మిస్ చేశారంటే ఓకే ఫైన్. ఇంకా ఈ రోజు నుంచి మాత్రం మిస్ చేస్తే మాత్రం అది మీకే ఇంపాక్ట్ పడుతుంది. చెప్పేసా, ఫస్టే చెప్పా. ఎవరైనా క్లాస్ మిస్ చేస్తే మీరు కానీ నాకు టాస్క్లు చూపించకపోతే మీరే ల్యాక్ అయిపోతారు. సో మీ యొక్క వర్క్ మీద ఇంపాక్ట్ పడుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ keep in your mind these words. Okay, try to attend every class from today onwards. Got it?
Yes, Prasad.
Everyone should show me that tasks daily. నేను ఇచ్చిన టాస్క్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నాకు చూపియాలి. Maybe these words hard to you guys, but తప్పదు. ఎందుకంటే మీరు పెట్టే ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎఫర్ట్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఏదో అమౌంట్ పెట్టినాం కదా చేసి వదిలేసినట్టు కాదు. నా దగ్గరకు వచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా టెక్నాలజీ అనేది క్లియర్ గా నేర్చుకునే వెళ్ళాలి. దట్ ఈస్ మై గోల్. ఏదో టైం పాస్కి వచ్చేటట్టయితే నేను అసలు ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ చేయను. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు టెక్నాలజీ నేర్చుకోవాలి. డెఫినెట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ద జాబ్. దట్ ఈస్ మై గోల్. నేను చెప్పే ప్రతి ఒక్కటి కూడా నేను ఇట్లానే హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తా. మీరు హార్డ్ అని అన్నా కూడాను మీ ఇదంతా చెప్పేది మీకోసమే, ఇదంతా మీకోసమే నేను చెప్తున్నా. మీరు విడిచిపెట్టినా నేను విడిచిపెట్టాను. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి టెక్నాలజీ రావాలి, జాబ్ రావాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ మై గోల్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ యూ గైస్. ప్రీవియస్ నేను డీల్ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కటి కూడా నేను అట్లానే డీల్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, వన్స్ నా దగ్గరికి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు గెట్ ఇన్ అవుతున్నారంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే టు మై టీచింగ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే మై టీచింగ్ స్టైల్. Got it?
Yes, Prasad.
Yes, Prasad.
Yes, Prasad.
Yeah. So this is for you guys only. Okay?
ఓకే ప్రసాద్.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు పెట్టిన అమౌంట్ కి మీకు జాబ్ రావాలి. ఓకే, ఏదో వచ్చాను సరే అయిపోయింది అన్నట్టు నేను విడిచిపెట్టిన, మీరు విడిచిపెట్టిన, మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా రావాల్సింది ఇంకా. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ క్లియర్, ఐ హోప్. సో టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి రేపు చూపియండి. ఓకే,
Sure.
ఓకే. సో ట్రై టు అప్లోడ్ దిస్ వీడియో యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్. ఓకే,
Oh,
సో యా, జస్ట్ నాకు లాగిన్ టైం అయిపోయింది ఆల్రెడీ 30 minutes ఇట్స్ ఓవర్. సో ఒకసారి నేను నా యొక్క వర్క్ చెక్ చేసుకుని మీకు 12 లోపే అప్లోడ్ చేసేస్తాను. ఓకే, క్లియర్ రైట్? ఐ హోప్. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ జాయినింగ్ టుడే. యా, విల్ మీట్ టుమారో. థ్యాంక్ యూ.